This is what my students are going to see tomorrow when they enter the classroom, because we start standardized testing tomorrow. And this is just a quick setup. Be jolly and take your time. Glow today. Show what you know. Do not stress the test. Just do your best. They're going to get donut holes, hugs, and kisses. Do your best. Testing officially starts today. Just in case they forget their water bottles, they have Genius Water. You are one sharp student with a new pencil. Then there's 2 other messages. Stay sharp and do your best. The next message says you are right on track. And then I have stapled their scratch paper together. So this is what the setup looks like when they come in tomorrow. And we're testing all day, and we're testing over 2 days. So next week, they have other treats. This is Renita from Teachable Resourceful Learners. Have a great day.